Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make a round beaded bag, small round beaded bag. I'll be needing 0.70 fishing line and then size 10mm sugar beads, and then is 14 or 16 pearl bead, anyone is fine. And then you need small rings like this and either a metal handle, or you can use size 8 pearl bead bead for the handle. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start with 6 beads, and of course we're going to 0.80 for the handle of the bead, and then you need your plier and then your cutter or your scissors. Let's begin. I'm going to start by cutting our fishing line, and then I taped my hand with paper tape because it's quite easier to pull your fishing line when you're working and that it's cutting your hand. So cutting a desired length of fishing line, something I can easily work with. Set this aside. I'm going to pick this. We're also using the same method we used for the tassel beaded bag. Okay, same method. I'm going to start with 6 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one we're going to be crossing with the 6th bead. You want to make sure everything is in the middle. Go ahead and crisscross, pull that, so you've gotten to the middle, pull firmly. Okay, now we're going to put 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one to cross. Now next we're going to pass the right hand fishing line through this bead at the side, okay, and out. Now we're going to be working with 4 beads, not 5 anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th one, which we're going to be using to cross. And then you should have 3 circles of 6. Now you're going to repeat the same thing. Pass your right hand fishing line through this bead, and we're going around this circle of 6. Okay, so we've done 1, 2. We're going to do 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th one. Then we'll move to the next row. Okay, that's the target. So now you pass this fishing line through the bead at the side. Make sure you are always pulling firmly as you go. Put in 4 beads because we already have 2 beads here and we need 6, right? So we need adding 4 beads to your left hand fishing line. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one to cross. Okay, so you do a crisscross with the 4th bead, just like this. Go ahead and pull firmly, and you have 4 circles of 6 Okay, so let's continue. We have 1 2 3, the third bead, 3 beads left to complete circle of 6. So once again, you pass your right hand fishing line through the bead at the side. Pull firmly, passing 4 beads into your left hand fishing line. 1 2 3, and you cross with the 4th bead. And you should have this. Okay, so we're going to do the remaining 2 now. And now for the last circle of 6, instead of passing your fishing line through 1 bead, you're going to be going through 1 and 2. 1, no, now through the second one and out. So now instead of 4 beads, now it's going to be 3 beads into the left hand fishing line. 1 2, and the third one to cross. And then you should have this. Okay, you should have this. This is the first row and second row complete. Now we're going to the third row. So what you need to do is you pass your right hand fishing line into the bead at the side here and out. And you should have this. Now we're going to be putting in 4 beads because we're going to be making a circle of 6. 1 2 3, and the 4th one to cross. And here you have it. Okay, so now we have 1 circle of 6. Now the next one is going to be a circle of 5. You pass your right hand fishing line through this bead and out. Make sure you are always pulling firmly. So now we're going to make in a circle of 5, so we still need 4 beads. We need 3 beads. 1 2, and the third one to cross. Just like this. You pull firmly. There you have it. So you have a circle of 6 and a circle of 5. So the next one, you pass your fishing line through 2 beads, and then you add 3 beads, a circle of 6. The next one, 1 bead. Once you have an edge like this, it's 5. All these edges, you see this middle that has like an inner part is 6 beads, 6 beads, 6 beads, 1 bead here. Okay, so let's go. Now you're passing your right hand fishing line through 2 beads, and then you add 3 beads, that circle of 6. Pass it through 2 beads, and you add 3 beads, 1 2, and the third one to cross. there you go. Okay, so now the next one, you pass it through one bead, and then we have a circle of 5, so it's 6 5 6 5 6 5 till you get to the very end. So when you're making a circle of 5, you'll be passing it through just one bead. When you're making a circle of 6, you're passing it through 2 beads. This is 1, means it's going to be a circle of 5. Now for the last one, as you can see, what you need to do is to pass your right hand fishing line through 2 beads. Now we should be ending with 2 beads because this is going to be, last one is going to be a circle of 5. 1 and the second one to cross. Now we should have this. Okay, this is the first row, circle of 6, 1 2 3, and now we're going to the fourth row, which is going to be a circle of 4 all around. Okay, so now we need 2 beads, 1 2, and then 1 more to cross. There we have it, our first circle of 4. Now you pass your fishing line through the bead at the side. Make sure you're always pulling firmly through the bead at the side. 1 bead, okay, and out. Now you need 2 beads, 1 and then 2, second one to cross. And you should have this. Okay, you have this, so sure you're always pulling firmly. Now you do the same thing round. I will go halfway and then out, show you how it looks like. Let's continue. Pass it through 1 bead and out. On your left hand string now, you put in 2 beads, 1 and the second one to cross. So you're going to be passing through 1 bead, and then you're going to be using 2 beads to add 2 beads, second one to cross. Okay, one more time. Pass through 1 bead and out. Make sure you are pulling firmly. Put in 2 beads on your right hand side, left hand side 1, second one to cross. For final circle of 4, what you need to do is to pass your fishing line through 2 beads, 1 and then 2. Okay, so then you cross. It's 1 bead, and then you have this part is completed. So now what we need to do is to build the sides of the back. I'm going to show you how exactly it looks like on another pattern, another side. So this is how it is. We're going to be building this side now, so it's going to be doubled. I will place it together this way, and it's going to have an opening at the top, if you understand. So now we're going to go ahead to build the side. So when we build the side, it's going to be 1 2, and then the third one to join. I'll explain better. So we have to have an opening of 7. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 at the top. Okay, so now let's go. Also going to be a circle of 4. 1 2 and 3. Obviously the third one to cross. We have this, then you want to fold it this way. Okay, and continue. Pass your fishing line through the side bead. Make sure you're always pulling as you go to keep your work firm. Now, one and the second one to cross. And you have this at the side. Okay, so you're going to continue to build this circle of 4 round the back. Finish this part, and now there is an opening of 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is 7th one. I'm going to be turning this direction to go to the next row. Okay, so it's going to be one bead on the left hand side and another bead on that same left hand side, and then you're going to cross. Yeah, we've turned to this side. Now we can start the next row. So 2 beads, 1 2, and then 1 more to cross. Just like that. Then you always pull firmly, and now we successfully started the next row. So now you're going to be passing your left hand fishing line through the bead at the side, and then pass your bead, 2 beads through your right hand fishing line, 1, second one to cross. This. Okay, so you're going to continue the same method all the way through till you get to the other side. After you've done the second row, you want to repeat this twice, be joining the 2 sides together.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in part 2. Bye.